Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk. It's February 28, 2024, and isn't life all about solving little problems? This nice lady sitting next to me, she had a problem. For many years, her back hurt, and she came to Deuk Spine Institute 6 weeks ago. You had your surgery.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And here you are 6 weeks after surgery. How do you feel?
100% better. No pain. Zero pain.
In your back?
In my back.
Wonderful. Before this surgery at Deuk Spine, the Deuk laser disc repair, did you have back pain for several years?
I did for about 5 years. That was not being able to be managed by over-the-counter drugs. Before that, I had pain, but ever since my surgery, even that first night, I could sit in my recliner, no pain, and I've not had any pain since.
So you had the surgery, and that night you sat in your recliner without any back pain?
Without any back pain.
Are you happy with your surgery at Deuk Spine?
Oh, 200%.
Wonderful. You and I have something in common. We both love plants and orchids and exotic plants, and we were just talking about how she's going to be doing a lot more with her plants, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
What's life going to be like now that your back is fixed?
For me, free to go. I can go out in my husband's boat and sit in the seats. I can fish. I think I can do a road trip without having any pain. Looking forward to it.
Isn't that wonderful?
It is.
We adapt our lives to the problems with
do.
our backs and
Yes.
necks. And one day you realize, wow, I've given up so much of the quality of my life, not doing the things I want to do because I don't want to bring the pain on.
Right, exactly right.
And to have that pain gone where you can do whatever you want, priceless.
Priceless, yeah. I recommend this surgery to anybody. I mean, you have it online, you have it on YouTube. People really need to look at that stuff to see what they can look forward to and not just deal with the pain, but get it fixed and go on living a nice life.
That's the message we're trying to get out.
Yeah.
So we agree with you. Well, thank you for sharing your story 6 weeks after surgery.
Yes.
I have people all the time saying, Dr. Deuk, show us a patient who had surgery a while ago. And I said, well, patients don't come back. They're doing...
You've achieved your job. We don't have to come back.
That's the whole point. Well, thanks for sharing.
Yes.
And enjoy your orchids.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Bye.